The Italian adjective,
affascinante,
which can translate in a number of ways, including fascinating and attractive, comes from the verb
affascinare,
meaning to fascinate.
affascinante,
The singular form is always affascinante, and the plural form is always,
affascinanti,
regardless of the gender of the subject. When used to describe a person or one of their physical features, the best translation is usually attractive, enchanting, or captivating. For example,
un uomo affascinante,
an attractive man,
un sorriso affascinante,
a captivating smile,
uno sguardo affascinante.
an enchanting look.
Guarda quella signora seduta laggiù nell'angolo. Non la trovi affascinante?
Look at that woman sitting over there in the corner. Don't you find her fascinating? When used to describe physical or abstract things, the translations fascinating, gripping, or riveting tend to work best.
Un progetto affascinante.
A fascinating project,
Un argomento affascinante.
a riveting topic,
Una serie affascinante.
a gripping series.
Ho appena finito di vedere questa nuova serie TV su Netflix. È affascinante. La riguarderò senz'altro.
I just finished watching this new TV series on Netflix. It's gripping. I'll definitely watch it again.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.